Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Christmas with Mr. Carrington. I'm at Ikea. We're going to go and have a look around and see what they've got in that's new for Christmas 2019. Let's go. They've got an offer in store where you can receive a £20 voucher when you buy a Christmas tree for £29. And the trees look really, really nice. And they've also got a recycling point for textiles in store and also batteries and light bulbs if you're dropping in. They've got some nice biscuit tins in store. And over here I've spotted some gingerbread as well. So you've got little kits here, which look really nice. They've got the ones that you can hang on your tree. They've got different jams and preserves that I think would make really nice little gifts. These are £3.75. They've got this which is called Glog, and this is like a winter drink. So it's got spices and cinnamon, cardamom and ginger in it. It sounds really nice. It's a mulled fruit drink, I think it's non-alcoholic. I've just spied these storage bags which are £3 each, which look really durable. Looks like you can stuff quite a lot in there, so I might get some of those for under the bed. This is a really cozy little space. I love this island. Imagine having that in your kitchen. Got some nice festive bits going on. This little tree, which is £19. I've always liked this idea of having the bed forward and then some space behind it. This is really cool. It's kind of like a bathroom and dressing area going on behind here. Got another festive space going on here. They've done the table really nicely. We've got these navy blue plates and the little gold touches. And I really like this kitchen worktop. I think that's lovely. Let's see how much that is. Does it say? The whole kitchen's £3,000. Love this worktop. This rocking chair is really nice. This is £150. That looks lovely. These are nice as well. I like this one for £90. And the little coffee table's £60. They do sell artificial trees here. This one's £49, which is quite nice. It's quite tall. I'm just editing this and realised I shot these clips in slow-mo, but this lamp was £40, and they've also got this planning area in store with lots of fabric swatches. I really like these hanging paper stars. I think they look really lovely, especially if you hang them in a window so that people outside can see them shining through. And then they also have some smaller artificial Christmas trees in store as well. And I thought this unit was really cool. It's some wooden shelves, but inside you have this fold-out table that could be used for a desk, or it'd be big enough for two people to eat at, and then it can fold away again. And then they've used this rug, which is £7, as a bit of a tree skirt underneath. This is a cool little setup. They've got all of these filing drawers that they're keeping different tools in. They've labelled them all up. You can put little labels inside. And then they've got this nice desk space here, which they've set up with a sewing machine. Really nice with all this open shelving above it. And they also do these little storage boxes, which are really good if you are into your crafts. These are £30. I've just seen this sign that says they do workshops here. So if you've got an old Ikea product and you want to recycle it, upcycle it and turn it into something new, you can bring it along to their Revive and Relove workshops to learn how to give it a whole new lease of life, which is really good. So they've got a timetable here with all the different things they've got going on, like lampshade upcycling, getting ready for Christmas. That's really cool. And there's the website if you want to get involved. Looks like they've already been making some wreaths by the looks of things. It looks like it's been made out of old paper. I always love the dark rooms in Ikea. I love this burgundy colour with the gallery wall they've got going on. Very nice space. Wow, we have a lot of plants going on in this space. I know that my home's a bit of a jungle, but this is taking it to the extreme. So these are all artificial plants that they sell in Ikea. There's all different kinds. They've got some hanging ones, some nice little ones in pots. Mini succulents. These are £1, which is pretty good going. then £6 for these larger trailing ones. Really nice way to add some texture into a space. Not seen these ones before. These are £6, quite realistic. I always see this and think it's really good value. This is £29, and I've seen lots of people do hacks with this whereby they spray the frame gold. You can just pop the glass off, and it can be used as like a laptop table or a dressing table. Really nice, simple design. This has just caught my eye as well. I've not seen this in store before. It's like a corkboard cabinet. It's a bit more pricey at $350. Let's have a look inside. Oh wow, that's very cool. How about that? I've not seen these before, and these look really good. These are wall shelves, and they're £13, this metal shelf. And then they've got it in white as well for £10, so you can mount it on the wall in different ways. And I guess you could hook like coat hangers into that if you wanted to have maybe like it as a little bit of a coat rack. I think this might be new as well. This is £75, and it's a wooden bench with storage. And I guess you could sit on this to put your shoes on, maybe keep boots under here, and bits and pieces in your hallway and that. Very nice, quite industrial themed. And then in the same range for £95, they've got this tool unit. Got a nice range of artificial flowers in here. I really like the eucalyptus stems that are £2.50 each. These are really good. They're Tupperware, but you can get a glass base for it. So this is actually oven proof, so you could make some really nice food in that and then take it into work with the lid on to reheat it. These blinds seem like really good value. These are £3.50, just really simple white pleated ones. These are quite nice for £10. So these vases are £15, and they've been made from leftover glass, pieces of different colours, which makes each one unique. Got these plain wreaths for £9 that you could DIY. These are very sweet, £2.50. Quite like these thin tall ones. If you're short of space, that's a really good idea. Look nice by a fireplace. I think that one's 19. And they've got buckets in silver and red if you wanted something to put your tree into. These are the rugs that are £7 if you wanted something under your tree. Looks quite snowy. These hanging stars are really nice. These are £12. They've also got a circle, which is 15, and then a larger one, 22. They've also got big star here, which is 19. Snowflakes and quite a few different Christmas lights. We've got these glass domes, which are £8. Nice to put over a candle. Like this lantern. How much is that? What does it actually say? Let's see it over here. So these little house lanterns are £9. They've got small potted real trees in store for £8 each. These are quite nice for the winter time. These are £6 each, and they're kind of silvery, quite unusual. And if you're just wanting a small plant for a space, these are only £1.75. Well, there we go. I really hope you enjoyed this look around Ikea with me. If you did, do give the video a little thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I've been to Ikea on a few occasions, so I'll link any other Ikea videos in the description box for you, so you can pop over to watch those as well if you haven't done so already. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.